What you don't know can hurt you. HireItDone.com.
Hi, I'm Adam Helfman from Hire It Done, and one of the #1 requests we get at HireItDone.com is for kitchen and bath remodeling. We're here at Hard Rock Stoneworks today, where they teach you how to go from getting a good countertop to a great countertop, and they're going to walk you through the process from selecting your granite all the way to the installation. Let's go inside and take a look. When tackling a kitchen or a bath project, there are so many decisions that a homeowner has to make. You've got the cabinets, you've got the appliances, the flooring, the backsplash, the fixtures, and the countertops. But I tell everyone, start with the countertops because it ties everything together. So now that we've established that you're going to start with countertops, where are you going to get them at? A big box store, a kitchen supplier, a granite showroom? Well, how about here at Hard Rock Stoneworks, where they actually supply the granite, they manufacture the granite, they install it, and they help you design it. One of the biggest delays in your kitchen or bath project is not having your selection in stock. That's not the case at Hard Rock Stoneworks because they have the largest inventory in the state. When your countertops enter production, Hard Rock Stoneworks uses the latest state-of-the-art equipment. This ensures that your countertops are manufactured with precision. Hard Rock Stoneworks leads the industry using laser measuring and computer-aided design technology. At Hard Rock Stoneworks, whether your project's big or small, they give you a dedicated salesperson. And that benefits you, the homeowner, because you have somebody watching the project from start to finish. Here's a tip. If you want the best results, you need to make this a collaborative process between you and the salesperson at Hard Rock Stoneworks. So here's a great reason to buy granite tops right now from Hard Rock Stoneworks. We've negotiated no sales tax for any purchase through Hard Rock Stoneworks for a limited time. Just visit HireItDone.com.
What you don't know can hurt you. HireItDone.com.